to all. Now we have discussed about how to create that estimation template. Okay, let's start. Project and the main contractor. Here project means project name and project number, contractor main contractor name, and client name, and consultant name. Then you can click it, select it 5 and 6 numbers of columns and row up to n. Then go to home and select it this type of all borders. Yeah, that's enough. Then you have to merge it 5 and 6, merge, and here write it is capital letter and SR number, serial number. Then same select it and merge it, and BOQ number, then select it, merge it, description of the works. Okay, here select it A columns and right click, then column width you can put it 8 is enough. Then BOQ also we need that column width 8, and description of the work we need column width 50, 50. Then okay, then column number D you can select it and merge, and here coming numbers. Then column number E, merge it here, here length LENGTH, length, breadth, depth, here bracket, meter, then select Ctrl V, then you have to one more idea. You can select it up to approximately 20 rows, select it same all borders. Then go to this 4 column, you can select it and merge it. Here coming is quantity. Okay, then the 2 column, this column select and right click for format cell, remove format cell numbers, alignment, font, border is the border. Then here click it and deselect, then you can okay, here line is not coming. Okay, then here quantities, then rate, here amount. Okay, next unit rate, then subtotal, then remarks. Okay, and length and breadth and depth we need column width approximately is 10 is now, and quantities we need 13. Then one more column is there, I will tell you later. We need for 8 is enough. Rate, amount, unit rate, subtotal we need 10 column width, and the remarks we need 40. Okay, another 5 and 6 column selected, and writing row height is 22 is enough. Then select it here home, is called middle align. Okay, and central, and click it bold. Okay, then you can select it number 7 up to 20, and right click it, overhead is 27 is comfortable for. Then what will do? Then you can select it one more here. Just select line color, red color, and here you can edit here. Okay, here bracket rupees or dollar or dirhams, I think it's amount, limited and support. Okay, then this is for estimation template. I will detailed explain to next video how to take the estimate. Okay, thank you.